This is my backyard, and these are our bike jumps. They get the job done, but after a while they can get kind of boring. So we started to hit jumps like this at the bike park, and they're super fun. So I got to thinking, I got it. The next day we rented a Bobcat and got to work. The first thing we were doing is just kind of clearing out the area around and putting dirt, general area of where the jumps would be. We started placing the piles of dirt where we thought there would be a good distance in between the jumps. Then Kyle came over to help. Watering down this table just so it starts to shape and get a little hard while we're building the rest of the jumps. We're turning this mini double into a tabletop for my brother, and we put some logs here to save some dirt. Shaping and compacting my brother's jump. And right here we put these logs here just for looks, and we're gonna fill in dirt behind them. We started to shape the face of the jump, but it's not complete. The tabletop is pretty much done, just needs some more compacting and needs to be ridden, and some minor tweaks. My brother's tabletop on the left is pretty much complete, just needs to be shaped and watered. The landing needed to be a little wider, so my dad put some dirt on each side, and then we can start shaping it. We are getting to the final point of we're just moving dirt around, just finishing some spots that need a little bit more dirt. We're gonna build a roller down here behind this table. So you hit a roller, then this table, we're gonna put some dirt down there for that. And we're just moving some dirt right here and to fill in the back of this landing right here, and then we can start watering, shaping, and riding. Just finishing up watering some of these jumps, and we can start riding.
Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell her run it. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell her run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch.
How's the new bike?
Swag money. I like the shifting part so you can make it easier to pedal or harder to pedal. Love hitting these booters. Woo!
You what?
Said I kind of messed up a little.
Tell her run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell her run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell her run it all. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come.
It was time to load up the Bobcat so it could be taken back the next morning. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
We got the bikes. We got a mountain bike, and a BMX. them bikes. We got a BMX and a mountain.